planes out of here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal, and don't forget to subscribe. Today's video, we're gonna do my BoxyCharm for August. Yeah, so we'll jump right into that video.
Content, I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Alright guys, so BoxyCharm, this is a spa, glamming, sunbathe, yoga, slumber is the theme. I just got this yesterday, so first things first is the Essentials 2 palette. I have the one which was in a previous box of BoxyCharm. This bad boy is this is by the box. This is $36. This is what it looks like. Comes with a mirror, which is awesome. Purples. Ooh, this green. These colors. Beautiful. I love the pops of color. I love, they feel very creamy. The metallics are very metallic. Let's swatch them right here real quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those are gorgeous. The purple and the like pink and the blue. Those are pretty. So I'll have fun using those. So that's that, which was $36. Okay, so next, which I'm super excited, is I love Too Faced Born This Way. This is the concealer. I tried my best. A lot of colors when I picked were gone, so I tried my best to get my color. I'm wearing it all over today as foundation. I've been realizing that I actually like, I don't know, using concealer as foundation a lot more. So that's, I guess, a little trick or tip. If you can afford $40, or I think this is like 30, almost 40 bucks. So, and then this goes for $29. So, yeah, so the foundation's even more. I think it's like 40 something. Okay, plane. I'm right in the plane path, so just let y'all. Next we got this Hydro Glow Sleep Serum, triple action hydraulic acid for all skin types. Alright, I'll have to try this out. I want to feel how it feels. So I guess it's a serum. Nick! Thank you.
What?
Yeah, I'm almost done. No, I want you to turn the fucking music off for like 2 seconds.
Oh.
So I don't get copyright.
How are they gonna know I'm here though?
They're not, but you can hear the music.
I'm not gonna be featured in this one or what?
If you want to, just. So this is, what is this? Oh, this is $44? Cheap. $44. Would not buy it myself, but that's why I paid for BoxyCharm. Okay, next thing is this. This is $26. Too Faced made something like this, so I tried it earlier, and I'm all nudes and stuff. I like a pop of color once in a while, but okay. And then the next thing is, I don't even know how to say this brand, but I'll leave it on the screen. This is $16. I tried this. It's just not my color. I'm more of a dark black. I like to use black. This is a dark brown, but I did like it. I like the spoolie. I like the definition. You know, smaller or more hair-like strokes, so that's really good. And that is everything I got in this month's BoxyCharm. So I hope you guys like. Thumbnail. Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave some comments down below. What you want next, what videos, maybe a life update, because I got a lot of stuff going on in my life. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.